This is our cake for Jen.
Ay, naku.
For sure, we're going to miss her.
Ito pa.
This is the flowers.
Ay na.
Very generous naman ang aming mga crew. Let's go, guys. Let's go siya.
Uy, patugtog ka kasi. Guys,
Let's go, Jonathan. Jen, key in the crew room first. Vincent. So, we're going to have a surprise to her. It's her last day. This is for you,
sabay-sabay. Mga wala sa tono. It's for you. Thank you so much for your hard work. Miss ka namin.
Jen. We're going to miss you, Jen. Jen, message mo kami ha.
Give message to Kamsu.
To Jen.
First, I will do first. So, Jen, you're such a great team player for us, especially in the kitchen. You know, when you are there, everything's we don't need to worry about. Okay? Thank you so much for your hard work. We will miss you. We love you. Okay? And a message from Jen.
Hi, Jen.
Ate Moms.
Jen, ako talaga yung nag-hire sa'yo. Mamiss talaga kita. Alam mo yun, yung first day training mo, hinanap mo ako pero naka-holiday ako. So ngayon, it's been 2 years, ha? Good luck on your next journey, Jen.
Miss ka namin.
Mamiss ka namin, Jen, ha? Message ka, okay? Good luck.
Anything you need.
The crew are trying as well.
Ashay, how about you?
Kuya, ang gulang mo siya.
Thank you sa lahat, no? Sa mga hard work mo sa morning shift. Kahit mag-isa ka lang kaya mo. Diba? Tapos good luck sa new journey. Alam mo na yan. Good luck.
Best wishes. Alam mo na yan. We'll miss you. Group hug, guys! Marty, go. Your message.
About best of luck your new journey.
Your body in the kitchen, right? Body in the kitchen. For sure, Jen, we will miss you.
Ate Jen is hindi siya kailangan utusan, may kusa siya. Tapos kampante ka kahit siya lang mag-isa, alam mong walang mamimiss. She's very attentive, very matulungin.
Derma Viet.
Inaakong niya lahat.
Oo.
Kesa sa Miss Universe. The gift, the one, it's a best kitchen. The one, the pouch, that's for her.
Oh, okay. I will get.
In the
Uy,
kitchen.
masyado mo yan.
Pero kailan ang palabok?
Ganyan yung mga mata.
Take some picture. How about Evelyn? What's your message?
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
No, best wishes for the new journey, Jen. And thank you for your...
Body also. Body.
In the future, wala na talaga akong...
Kitchen body.
Wala na talaga akong isang magaling sa kitchen. So sad kasi almost a month, ilang months lang ba tayo nagsama din. Hindi bitaw. Kasi napakaganda ng flow ng kitchen pag magaling din yung kasama mo, di ba? So, laking kabalan si Jen. Yeah. Thank you, Jen. Kasi pag dumadating sa kitchen talaga all prepared.
Lahat na.
So, ang ano lang sa feeling na pag nandun ka na sa floor, automatic na lang ready lahat kasi because ready to go.
How about Dimple?
And we have one more gift for you, Jen. This is for you also. From
Coaching
our
expert.
RM. Coaching expert.
How about Dimple? What's your message?
Dimple.
Wishes lang. Good luck sa journey.
Kailan yung palabok?
Alright. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no words to explain.
Yes.
No words to explain how we'll miss you and
Alam mo yan.
You're such a good impact to our lives.
okay, let's take a picture,
Let's
guys.
take a picture.
Ano yan? We gotta miss you,